It's IPSY's first icon box, so if you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Chloe Bandit aren't with me right now, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my very first icon box when IPSY and BoxyCharm merged. Instead of having Glam Bag X or Boxy Luxe, it's now the icon box. I'm going to tell you that when I first saw the spoilers, I was not all that impressed, but I think I have since been swayed just by the choices that they made, the choices that I had to make. I was overall pretty happy. I do have a bunch in here. There should be quite a few add-ons in here, as well as a Boost Your Box product. Now the icon box, I think it's somewhere around $60 after the $2 shipping and handling. And you do get 8 full-size items, 3 of which you get to choose. As with Glam Bag X, you do get a flyer that goes over the curator, which was Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now, a lot of times, when I was getting the Glam Bag X, there would be a lot of like these young people who I didn't even know who half of them were. And the choices for me that they gave or that I had, that IPSY gave or that I had, tended to be more for mature women. It's interesting that when there is a more mature woman who is the celebrity curator, that my choices were very makeup forward or very balanced between skincare. So I don't know how much say the guest curator has in the kind of choices that people get, but it's very telling that when it is a more mature woman, that those of us who are more mature are getting, I feel like I at least got better choices than I had in the past. Now, there were a few things in there that I was not offered that I would have been even more excited about, one of which was by Glow Recipe, and it was their Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel, which didn't have a super high retail value. It was $38, but I would have really have liked to have tried that. And by Truly Beauty was the Guava Vitamin C Vegan Collagen Booster Facial Serum for $36.90, because I absolutely love Truly Beauty. There was also a Pat McGrath's Liquid Lust Legendary Wear Lipstick, and that I would have been excited about. There were some different palettes that you could have gotten. So this one, I do have the Modern Renaissance one. They also have their Primrose and their Soft Glow Mini. So there's the Mini. And so this just, overall goes over some of the different items you might have found in your box. So that being said, not everybody gets offered the same choices. I don't know how they decide who they offer what to. I know they say your profile, but I don't know about that. The first item that they chose for me was the Cream Bronzer by ABH. This was a $35 value, and it's in the color Amber. So there it is. I think that's a fair match. So there it is on my hand, and then as we buff it in, I think that's a nice kind of glow for me. Next is the Primrose palette. This is a $55 value. So you have the nice textured case. And then here are your colors with what I can only assume are a bronzer and a blush. By MAC are the Magic Extension 5 milliliter Fiber Mascara, or is the This has this type of wand, and they say that with just a couple of coats, it's going to give you the appearance of false lashes. So we'll see about that. This is a $26 value, and I was excited to actually have them choose this for me because I love mascara and I'm always looking for the next great one. By Skin Inc. is the Body Sculpt Fit Serum, and this has caffeine, vitamin C, licorice, niacinamide among some of the ingredients in here to help with just your overall kind of not only glow but just firm up look. This is a $32.50 value, and it is all sealed, so I'm going to open that right now. And the last item they chose for me was the Too Faced Killer Liner. This is a black liner. Now I do use their felt tip one and really enjoy it. Here is how this looks and how it goes on. And that is a $23 value. Now the next item, I'm really surprised it didn't come in a box with instructions. So this is a little weird because this is a tool. And I'm pretty sure if you bought this, you would get a box with it, with instructions. I'm just saying. So this is the Redo It Boost in Lavender. So what this is supposed to do, this is supposed to be a smart tool. So if I recall what I read about it was that you will get a link, which I'm guessing is this little scan code here. And from there on your phone, what you're going to do is you're going to scan the ingredients of your serum. So if this came in a box, let's say this didn't come in a box. That's one of the problems with IPSY is you're not always getting the box as it comes in. So this tool you can't really use for some of the items in here unless you can look them up. I'm not really sure, but you're going to scan the serum and then it's going to tell this little machine what the active ingredients are, and this little machine, using some electromagnetic field technology as well as some diamagnetic technology, it's going to know how to best deliver this and how to make your serum work better for you. So it's going to understand that, I guess, in some ways about the product you're using and deliver that. Now, this also didn't come with any kind of charger. So I am a little confused. This is a $200 item. So to get it without a box, without a charger, without any instructions, I'm a little miffed about that because I was super, super excited about this. Now I'm irritated by it. Okay, so you open that up and there's this. So maybe it's in here. Register your warranty via the Redo It Boost app. So there is an app on either the App Store or the Google Play. There's a little code to scan to register on here. And okay, there is a charger. All right, I'm feeling less salty about that. And then there is a little seal on there, but here it is. And it looks like it is on. It's already charged. I guess I should take this off to maybe feel some effect from it. All right, so it has different settings, with different lights with the different settings. Okay. All right, so I will play around with that and give you all an update. You hold it to shut it off. And that little guy is a $200 value. So I'm hoping it works well. My next choice by Amika is the Nutriplenish Styling Treatment Foam. And Oh, I didn't even read that that was for medium to thick hair. I do not have medium to thick hair, but that's all right. I'll probably still use it. It might weigh it down a little bit. That's a $36 value. I just saw Avita and I was like, yes, I'll take that. By Bumble and Bumble is their tonic lotion. This is a primer. So I just got another one of their primers, which was more of an oil in my FabFitFun. And then this is another one. And this is a $28 value. So you're going to use this to prime your hair before using a heat tool. And then for $15 extra to boost my box is the Ole Hendrickson Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. This was a $51 value. All right, so there it is. Okay, for add-ons. By Alterna is the Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Multi-Styling Air Dry Balm. This is valued at $32 and I paid $12 for it. By JLo, and I really thought this was much smaller, so I'm super excited by how big it is. This is the serum. It has squalane, fermented oil, extra virgin oil, it said, I don't know, olive oil, and leaf extract, whatever that is, $105. So I thought, $105, it's gotta be good. The eye cream is good. A little bit of a scent, but not much, not a heavy scent. Definitely kind of an herby scent. So I think for $105, it's gotta do something. I think I might have paid $18 for that one. For $12, the Avita Fulmoliant Styling Foam for shine and weightless volume for fine to medium hair. This was a $34 value. By ABH is this little glow stick. This was a $12 add-on, and it has a $34 price tag. So you've got your glow side, and your brush on the other end to just dab that in, move it around a little bit. Then my last full-size add-on, because I didn't know that I was going to get this in my BoxyCharm by IPSY, is the Iconic London Beachside Babe palette. And so this has some gorgeous, there's a color saver on top there, but some gorgeous colors, and I already know where this is going, so I got that for $12. All right, for $3.50, I got a little sample size of the Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth AHA, what is this? BHA and AHA salicylic serum, and that's good for acne prone skin, so that's good for my daughter. By Kenzie, I got the Zest for Life travel spray. Okay, so here this is, and this has a combination of orange blossom, mango, and coconut. Oh, that smells really nice. By Amika is the Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. And by Beauty Creations is their lip gloss. Now, I don't even remember ordering this. In Green Apple. Take Me Back, it says. Okay, well, I didn't see this on my site of, when you have IPSY, it shows you like everything that's coming and what you added on and all that. And this wasn't even on there, so I'm not really sure about that, but happy to have it. All right, well, that is my icon box. So let me know your thoughts. Overall, I was pretty happy with the choices. There were some things I would have liked to have been able to choose or have chose for me that Truly product or the Glow recipe. I would have really enjoyed trying those. But they weren't even, like, a lot of the things that were part of choice I could purchase on the side. Those were not on those, so those might have been things chosen for people. I'm not really sure because I haven't seen anybody else open their Icon box yet. I did get mine very, very late. It just came in today, and I am filming on the 23rd of May. So I don't know. I know I saw Johanna got hers. I just haven't had a chance to see it yet, so I'm not really sure. I may do this for my daughter's profile the next time around because she seems to get better choices being a young person. But then again, she probably would not have gotten offered some of the creams that I got. So I don't know. We'll see. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.